Good morning YouTube, welcome to Keynote Photo. My name is Jeremy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope your week is starting off on a great foot. Here is a video of how I edited my sunset photo at Pismo Beach. Now if you are going to be taking a sunset photo, plan on taking an HDR image, which stands for High Dynamic Range. It will give you more information in the highlights and shadows, thus more wiggle room with your edits. If you have any questions, comments, or criticism, please do not hesitate to leave that in the comments. If you would like to download this high-resolution photo or would like to work on the raw photo so you can practice on editing, I will leave a link for that down below in the description. I hope you continue to have a lovely week. Until next time, continue learning, continue grinding, and continue being adventurous.